This is Mount Batur, part 2. After hiking for 3 hours in the dark, we finally made it to the top just in time for sunrise.
Got pretty lucky with the sunrise because right now it's been foggy for the last 3 minutes.
We didn't have a ton of time at the top, so after posing up a storm and getting some of the best drone shots I've ever taken, it was time to head back down. And in some ways, I honestly feel like the hike down was almost harder than the hike up. Luckily, breakfast had been cooking in the ground, and I can't overstate how important this was.
I didn't realize we came this high.
Yeah, I wish I was high.
I think the elevation at the top is like 5,000 feet.
Yeah. Didn't feel like it. There's a mountain on this island that's 10,000 feet.
I think it's Lagoon.
Yeah, right. It doesn't look like it's twice as tall as where we were. These lost creators.
It was cool seeing the landscape during the day. On the way up, it was hard to get a sense of how big this volcano really was. At the end of the hike, it's customary to plant a tree. It symbolizes giving back something to the mountain.
1, 2, 3, let's plant tree!
And that was my trip to Mount Batur. This was definitely one of the more challenging things I did in Bali, but it was totally worth it.